Welding clamps, an essential tool for metalwork. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting topic in the world of metalworking: welding clamps. These tools are essential in various welding projects, and understanding what they are and how they're used can be quite fascinating. So, let's dive into the world of welding clamps. Welding clamps are tools used in metalworking to hold pieces of metal together during the welding process. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific types of jobs. Some common types of welding clamps include C-clamps, bar clamps, and sheet metal clamps. Their main function is to secure the metal pieces firmly in place, ensuring that they don't move while being welded. This is crucial for achieving a strong and precise weld. Welding clamps are not just tools, they are an integral part of the welding process. Without these clamps, it would be nearly impossible to weld with accuracy and strength. They help in maintaining the alignment of the pieces, prevent warping, and ensure that the welded joint is as strong as possible. For anyone learning about welding or metalwork, understanding the role of welding clamps is essential. In this section, we'll look at some of the most common types of welding clamps and their specific uses. For example, C-clamps are great for heavy-duty jobs, while bar clamps are more suited for longer pieces of metal. Each type of clamp has its unique features that make it suitable for certain tasks. By understanding these differences, you can appreciate how welders choose the right tool for their projects. Safety is paramount in welding, and welding clamps are no exception. We'll discuss safety tips like ensuring the clamps are properly tightened, checking for wear and tear, and using the right clamp for the right job. Remember, safety in welding not only ensures a successful project but also protects you from potential hazards. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of welding clamps. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of these essential tools in metalworking. Remember, whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, the right knowledge and tools are key to successful projects. Stay safe, and happy welding!